How to add background image to your Wix website. So here from the side, we want to click on Add Elements and hover over Image, or click on Image, and we want to upload images here. After we have selected this option, then we can upload the image for our background from our computer. And I'm going to do this one that I have on my desktop. You will need to wait a little bit of time before this image actually uploads. So just be patient. You can track the uploading process right here at the bottom left corner. Now that the image has been uploaded, left click to select it, and we want to add it to page. Once it has been added to the page, I'm going to zoom out here by pressing on this button here. And if we want to use it as our background, we are going to, okay, I'm just going to zoom in again, but we can right click on it and we can use this to set it as our background. So set image as background for, and we can do section untitled, which is the main page. And then right now, as you can see, I am using this image as the background of my website. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.